Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Personalize. So this lecture will contain all those topics. What is Amazon Personalize? Use cases, Amazon Personalize integrations, Amazon Personalize and generative AI, Amazon Personalize workflow details, types of data Amazon Personalize can use. So what is Amazon Personalize? Amazon Personalize is a fully managed machine learning service that uses your data to generate item recommendations for your users. It can also generate user segments based on the user's affinity for certain items or item metadata. So Amazon Personalize use cases. So first is to personalizing a video streaming app. You can use pre-configured or customizable Amazon Personalize resources to add multiple types of personalized video recommendations to your streaming app. For example, top picks for you, more like this item, and most popular video recommendations. Next use case is adding product recommendations to an e-commerce app. So you can use pre-configured or customizable Amazon Personalized resources to add multiple types of personalized product recommendations to your retail app. For example, there are some mostly we have recommended for you frequently bought together items, and customers who viewed this item also viewed the other product recommendations. Third, adding real-time next best action recommendations to your app. So you can use customizable Amazon Personalized resources to recommend the actions that your users will most likely take based on their behavior. For example, you can add real-time recommendations for enrolling in your loyalty program, downloading your mobile app, or signing up for promotional emails. Fourth, you can create personalized emails. So here you can use customizable Amazon Personalized resources to generate batch recommendations for all users on an email list. Then you can use an AWS service or third-party service to send users personalized emails recommending items in your catalog. Fifth, you can create a targeted marketing campaign. So here you can use Amazon Personalize to generate segments of users who will most likely interact with items in your catalog. Then you can use an AWS service or third-party service to create a targeted marketing campaign that promotes different items to different user segments. And sixth, you can personalize the search results. So here you can use customizable Amazon Personalized resources to personalize search results for your users. For example, Amazon Personalize can re-rank search results that you generate with OpenSearch. So Amazon Personalized integrations. So Personalize integrates seamlessly with other AWS services and solutions. So for example, Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler, so this is a component of SageMaker service, integrates with Amazon Personalize to provide an end-to-end solutions for importing data from over 40 sources, which allows users to prepare, transform, and analyze data within the Amazon SageMaker AI Studio environment. AWS Amplify provides integration capabilities for recording item interaction events, featuring a JavaScript library for web client applications and a separate library for server-side event recording. The AWS Solutions implementation for maintaining personalized experiences with machine learning automates the Amazon Personalized workflow, handling tasks like data import, solution version training, and batch workflow management. Amazon CloudWatch Evidently. So this is a part of CloudWatch service. There's a component called Evidently, and this integrates with Amazon Personalize to enable A/B testing of recommendations, and that allows users to evaluate and optimize their personalization strategies. Amazon Personalize and generative AI. So Amazon Personalize works well with generative artificial intelligence. Amazon Personalize content generator with the help of generative AI can add engaging themes to batch recommendations for related items. Content generator is a generative AI capability managed by Amazon Personalize. You can also use Amazon Personalize recommendations to integrate Amazon Personalize with your generative AI workflow and enhance your users' experience. For example, you can add recommendations to generate generative AI prompts to create marketing content tailored to each of your users' interests. You can also generate concise summaries for recommended content or recommend products or content through chatbots. So Amazon Personalized workflow details. So first, First you do is you match your use case to personalized resources, and here personalized features domain-based resources and custom resources configured for different use cases. When you match your use case to an Amazon personalized resources, note its data requirements, and after you choose a use case or recipe, this information can help Amazon Personalize prepare your data. Next step will be you will prepare your training data. So based on your domain use case or custom recipes data requirements, you prepare your bulk training data in a CSV file. Depending on your use case or recipe, Amazon Personalize can use item interactions, item, user, action, and action interaction data. If you do not have bulk data, you can use individual import operations to collect data and stream events until you meet personalized training requirements and the data requirements of your domain use case or recipe. Third step is to create schema JSON files for your data. So here you create schema JSON files for each type of data that you are importing. These files outline the structure and content of your data, including column names and their data types. Fourth step, you create a dataset group. A dataset group is a container for Amazon Personalized resources. You can create a domain dataset group with pre-configured resources for video on demand or e-commerce domains, or you can create a custom dataset group and create only custom resources. Fifth step, you create schema and datasets. So a schema tells Amazon Personalize about the structure of your data and allows Amazon Personalize to pass the data. A dataset is a container for training data in Amazon Personalize. Step number 6 is to import training data into datasets. So here you import your prepared interaction, items, users, action, or action interaction records. You can import records in bulk or individually. Step number 7 is to train and deploy a model. So here to train and deploy a model so there are two types, video on demand or e-commerce domains. There are two domains. You create domain recommenders. For custom resources, you create a custom solution and a solution version. For real-time recommendations, you deploy the solution version in a campaign. Step number 8, you get the recommendations. So use your recommender or the custom campaign to get recommendations. You can use filters to include or exclude certain types of items from recommendations. With custom resources, you can also get batch recommendations or user segments without creating a campaign. And step number 9 is to record real-time events. So here you record real-time events as your customers interact with the recommendations. And this builds out your interaction data and keeps your data fresh. And it tells Amazon Personalize about the current interest of your user, which can improve recommendation relevance. So types of data in Amazon Personalize that Amazon Personalize can use. So there are 5 types. I'll be covering in detail next few slides. So these are interactions, items, user, actions, and action interactions. So first type, interactions data. An interaction is an event that you record and then import as training data. Amazon Personalize generates recommendations primarily based on the interactions data. Interactions data can include the following. It can have event type and event value data, contextual metadata, impressions data. So, and you import interactions data into an item interactions dataset. So there's something specific to Personalize. It's called as item interactions dataset. Next type is item data. The item metadata that Amazon Personalize can use include the following, and these are numerical data about each item, such as the price, categorical metadata about each item, such as the item's genre or the color, creation timestamp data for each item, unstructured text metadata such as product descriptions or movie synopsis. You import metadata about your items into an items dataset. Next is the user data. The user metadata Amazon Personalize can use include the following, and these are numerical data about each user such as their age, categorical metadata about each user such as their gender or loyalty membership status. You import metadata about your users into a users dataset. Next type of data is actions data. The action data Amazon Personalize can use include the following. So these are the business value or importance of each action, categorical metadata for each solution such as the seasonality or action exclusivity, action expiration timestamp data that specifies when Amazon Personalize should stop recommending each action. And next one is repeat frequency data that specifies how long Amazon Personalize should wait before recommending each action after a user interacts with it. And you import data about your actions into something called as actions dataset. You cannot create a next best action resources, including actions and actions interactions dataset in a domain dataset group. So this is specific to how the Personalize work, something very specific to the service. And then we have actions interactions data. The data Amazon Personalize can use from user interactions with actions include the following: event type data and categorical metadata. You import interaction data into an action interactions dataset. And here is also something which you cannot do. You cannot create next best action resources including actions and action interactions dataset in a domain dataset group. And that's all. Thanks for watching.